Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Tyler Jurgen, Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager here at Veeam. Alongside me is Matt Crape, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the different challenges you may face as a partner in this ever-changing hypervisor ecosystem. So Matt, why don't you talk to us a little bit? Tell us what partners can expect to see.
Absolutely. So Veeam is in a very unique position to help out partners and their customers in that we offer such a wide variety of support when it comes to hypervisors. It's no secret that end users, customers, enterprises, businesses of all sizes are reevaluating their platform of choice these days, whether it's due to inflated cost, maybe some lackluster support from the vendor. Everyone is looking for alternatives, and that is where Veeam can give you the advantage. Whether it's moving from VMware to Nutanix AHV, to Hyper-V, to Proxmox, to Scale, there are all sorts of options out there that we can assist with, and that list is ever growing. Tyler, when it comes to hypervisor migration, what is one of the top things that comes to mind for you?
Absolutely. When you're talking about hypervisor migration, the key thing is to be able to migrate your workloads seamlessly and continue to protect them day two and never lose access to your data. You don't want to ever have your backups where you can't get to them after you've moved to a different hypervisor platform. You always retain that with a portable data format, and you always gain access to all the different hypervisors we support and being able to migrate to them seamlessly and be able to continue to protect them after the fact.
Absolutely. So the key thing to remember with Veeam Data Platform is we are a platform. It's not just your simple backup, your one and done. We support advanced monitoring and analytics capabilities, as well as full-fledged recovery operations and orchestrations. We are there from the beginning all the way to recovery, and we don't leave anyone left behind. Tyler, if you're a partner out there and you want to learn more, what options exist?
Absolutely. You definitely need to come find us on the Veeam Pro Partner Portal. That's a great portal. I've been in there tons of times as a partner myself. There's a lot of education, a lot of information, a lot of different ways that you can wrap your services around Veeam and be able to provide a great experience to your customers. So please come join us at the Veeam Pro Partner Portal today.